welcome back to my channel. So I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video I'll be doing my favorites for the past couple of months. So here I have a lot of things which I want to show you guys, and so without further ado, let's get started. So the first category is clothing, and they both are tie-dye piece of clothing. So this first top is this really bright pink color and coral color top, and it also has golden details. I got it from D-Mart for rupees 300, and if you go right now you will get it for sale, because I just went recently and I saw that it was on sale for rupees 200. And so I really like it. It's really good quality, it's cotton and it's a lovely color, perfect, and it incorporates the current trend of tie-dye. So the next piece of clothing is also a tie-dye product, like I said. It is a kurta in tie-dye. So I remember my mom used to wear such kind of kurtas when I was a little kid. So all those fashion trends have come back again, and this is a lovely grey kurta, and it is 100% polyester material, so it gives a really nice sheen. It looks like silk, but it is not. This also I got it for rupees 300 from D-Mart. D-Mart has really cool piece of clothing. If you search, like if you dig in, you get really good stuff, and that too for such remarkable prices. So I have been wearing these two a lot lately, so I really love them. So the next category is skincare. If you have watched a couple of my previous videos, you would know that I really love Ordinary product, and I have been trying them out. So this is the Ordinary AHA 30% BHA 2% peeling solution. I really love it. This is such a great exfoliant, like it literally cleans up your face. There's no gunk. So I have already reviewed this product. If you want to know more about this, you can go check out that video, which I will link here or here and or in the description box. So this is a really amazing product, so you can go check out that video for more information and buy it for yourself and try it. It is amazing. So if you have sensitive skin, extremely sensitive skin, I would say just try it once before buying, like if you can, from somebody. But if otherwise, it's a really good product. It's an acid peel, so all the gunk and all the dead skin cells just go away, and all this new layer of skin just grows and thrives. So it's really great. I really love this. So it has been quite a bit hot lately, so I have been using this toner. This is from Good Vibes. This is a pomegranate glow toner. So what I've been doing is just this comes in the spray bottle. So what I've been doing is just, you know, spritzing it all in. Like, this cools your face and you feel really good and fresh after using this on a hot sunny day. Been trying out this entire range of skincare from Good Vibes from the past 2 months actually. So I have been meaning to do a video on it, which I think will be up next to next week. So if you want to know more about the Good Vibes products and all the entire range of products, I'll be doing a review on it. It is going to be an in-depth review, so please do subscribe to watch those videos. And the next thing that I've been using a lot lately is this lip balm from Blue Heaven. This is in the variant Strawberry. This is a knockoff of EOS lip balm. So this was like really popular on the internet in 2-3 years back. So it is a really lovely lip balm. It moisturizes really well. I really love it, and it retails for I think 85 rupees. So the next product is this liquid lipstick from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick. So this is a really long lasting lipstick, and it stays on for the entire day, like without budging, no matter what you eat, no matter how much of an oily food you eat, which is great. But you need to like apply this and wait for like 1 minute or 2 minutes before it dries. So that is the negative thing about it, but it stays on for the entire day, and they have beautiful shades. And I have this shade called Amazonian, which is what I have on my lips right now. It's a really nice orangey brown shade, and it is a little bit difficult to remove at the end of the day, but all you need to do is apply like real nice coconut oil and use a cotton pad and just gently rub it off, so it removes off the lipstick completely. It's definitely a favorite. I think it's gonna stay my favorite for a long time now. So next favorite is this little pouch which I have. This is a little makeup pouch. So this was a gift, I got it from my friend on my birthday, and I really like it because of its color and how cute it is. So I like to store all my makeup things in here. And the next thing in accessories is this pair of earrings that I've been wearing. So this is a little crystal loop earring, and I have been seeing it on the internet everywhere, all this crystal and iridescent shades and loops. This has been in trend right now, and even pearls. So this is really cool, and it is in this unicorny color, which I really like. And yeah, so this has been my favorite. It's really subtle, you can wear it anytime and it'll just make your outfit pop a little bit. So in terms of music, I have been loving this song from Miso, Take Me. It is an amazing song. I've been listening to it since months and I'm still not bored of it. So you should definitely give it a hear. So I can't put it in the video because lead to copyright issues, so you can go check it out. I'll have the link for it in the description box. And the animation is on point, like it's really great, the video animation. You should totally go check it out. It's an amazing song. And also, yeah, I have been loving the comeback of Jonas Brothers. It gives me all my 10th standard school vibes. Yeah, so I liked Sucker a lot. Initially when I heard it, I was like, this doesn't seem like Jonas Brothers, but then when I listened to it like 2-3 times, I really found it groovy. Yeah, so that is also one of my favorite songs, just for their comeback, you know. So coming to the favorite YouTube channel, so it is Kritika Goyal. She is a travel vlogger and I really like her videos, and I also like the simplicity that she carries in herself, and I love her editing and everything. So if I'm pretty sure you might be aware of her, but if you are not, I'll have her channel link down below. You can go check her out. She's in Hong Kong right now, so yeah, you can see all the lovely places from her videos and all the food. Yeah, so I really like her channel. I really want to include this books category section so that I'll be reading every month. But I really couldn't read any books in the last month. But I read almost 5 books in January, which is great. So I always post them on my Instagram, like I just put a story and do a little mini review. So if you want to know that, you can follow me there on my Instagram, which is @Chimay23. So the last book that I've read is The Last Mrs. Parrish. It is an amazing book. It's so captivating, and also it's like an easy read. Like all the language that is used in the book is like super easy, and it's a lovely, easy breezy thriller. I really loved it. And the story is about a girl who likes to, you know, basically a gold digger. So you can totally go ahead and read it. And if you can't, and if you don't want to get a hard copy of it, we are coming to my next favorite app. So it is Any Books. You can go and check on Play Store. There's an app called Any Books, which has this blue book logo. There you can literally find any book. So I have been reading all my books on that app. It's like a cheap version of Kindle. You can adjust the lightings and settings and all that. So that's great. So if you are not aware of the app, go check it out. If you love reading but you don't want to buy a book and don't have any libraries nearby, you can totally use this app, Any Book. So those were my favorites for the month of March. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button also, because it's really important. And yeah, do follow me on my Instagram. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.